And hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. So, in the previous unboxing video, I did the Xiaomi Redmi 9C. But it's time for an upgrade. Even though it's only about 3 months later, but it's time for an upgrade. The Redmi 9T with 4 gigs of RAM, 1 gig more than the 9C, and 128 gigabytes of storage. About double what the 9C has. So let's get started.
Very aggressive.
Not that it had much of a sound, but it's pretty good. Okay, so we get a screen protector, which is very nice.
Very useful.
Definitely. Okay, designed by Redmi. Okay, so there's the phone, and we'll get to that soon. So in here, we have our SIM card ejector tool. We have our manuals, and we have a cover, which is very nice to include, and yeah. Alright, so the Redmi 9T. Okay, so we'll get to this in a second. Inside the box, do we have anything else? Oh, we do. We have a charging brick and a cable, which is something I always like seeing, and some phones, for some reason, don't come with them anymore.
The charging brick with the top USB port is very useful.
Very much.
I prefer it.
So here is the Redmi 9T. Okay, that was very unsatisfying, but cool. So, let's turn it on, and then we'll take a look around the phone. It doesn't have a... Do you just like hold it in? How are you supposed to turn it on if it doesn't have a power button? Oh, you can click it, never mind. So while we wait for that, we have a SIM card place. At the top, we have a headphone jack, which I always look for when I get a phone. Always very, very useful. Here we have our fingerprint scanner, as well as the power button, which you have to click if you want to turn it on, it seems. And then we also have our volume keys or volume rockers. At the bottom, we have our microphone, as well as a USB-C charging port. Then behind, we have cameras.
Oh, that sticker though. That just ruins it.
It does. But we can probably remove it.
On the back.
So, while we're at it, where did I put that? There we go. So we can see it in all its glory, how they intended it to be.
It's very thick.
Yeah, just how I like my waifus.
We got 3 sides on.
Yeah, unfortunately it turns out we might be too weak or too stupid to figure out how to put it on. The thing is, we couldn't get this on, but you always need protection. Otherwise you'll end up with 3 children and nothing will ever work. That's why I got this, because I knew something was not gonna work. I didn't know we were gonna get this though, but it was nice that they included it, although it's a really tight fit and it doesn't look very good. But for the price, all I can say is thank you. Now here, we can just put all of this here. Also, I got this from Takealot. The video is not sponsored by anyone, but if you're interested in getting it yourself, the link will be in the description. Now before we continue, here's a word from our sponsor. Our beautiful camera woman is on Instagram at Amuret Photography. Go follow her and check her out. Alright, back to the phone. Now here we can just continue with the setup. Okay, so yes, I'm perfectly fine with that. Oh, that's very nice. They give you an option to increase the text size. So if you're blind, like me, you can do that. Okay, you can choose your region. It automatically detected I'm in South Africa. I've read all of that. And I was gonna check for updates. Oh gosh, getting flashbacks from the previous video. If you haven't seen it though, feel free to watch it. Link in the description and probably a pop-up right there or right there somewhere. Okay, so this is very nice. You can transfer your things from your previous device. I want to start from scratch again because I do for some reason have a fetish for that. So let's not copy. So while we wait, if you're enjoying this video, please leave a like, maybe subscribe. Alright, so here they are asking us to give them a bunch of data. I'm just going to disable everything for now. We can enable it later again. Alright, so here they're giving us additional apps we can review, and it will be downloaded over Wi-Fi. I wonder if we can remove it. I think we can. Nope, we cannot. It's mandatory to have all of these.
Google Podcasts is good.
Okay, so here we can also add our Me account, which I'll do later. I'm going to skip that for now because I don't really care too much about it. Okay, now we can add our fingerprint, something I've been wanting to do for a while. Okay, so here we can also enter a pin for it. I'm just going to enter a pattern because it doesn't matter. Come on. There we go. So the fingerprint is here at the side. So you can just put your thumb on there or whatever finger you like to put on to your phone. Alright, done. We'll test that out later as well. So here we can do the location stuff again. I'm just gonna turn off everything here. Maybe the automatic system updates we could keep turn off. And yeah, we can, yeah, so all of this is fine. Continue. Okay, so yet again, they give us the classic or the app drawer. I do love my app drawer, and I appreciate that they do include this in MIUI 12. Okay, seems like it's complete. Also, a video on removing all of the bloat coming with a Xiaomi phone is coming very soon. So if you want to see that, leave a like and please subscribe. So here's the phone. It looks pretty good, not gonna lie. So here we have everything. There's not as much bloat yet on here as with the previous phone. So that's nice. And it does already have PUBG. Yes. So which is nice. I don't know if that's actually PUBG because it has a G in it for some reason. GIF. I don't know if that means anything. But yeah, so that's very nice. So basically this is the phone. Not much to it. You can use the camera when it's faster. I wonder if it's so slow on first boot up because of all of the bloat it's trying to install. And we're just gonna disagree there. Record the video, or yeah, I guess that's fine. Cool. So we have a camera. Baby Tort is back.
Tortoise.
Tort.
Tortoise.
Tort. The cutest little tort possible. I'll put that video on screen, or that
Photo.
That photo, yes. And yeah, that's all there is to the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you all again in the next video.